Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel MD Paradise. I am MD Paradise. Like my video, share my video, subscribe my channel. Today I am making handmade lace with leftover fabric and design my shirt with this. Cut fabric lengthwise. 2 inches width, mark straight line, and cut long strip. Fold in center and stitch half an inch. Take it out with the help of pin. Long strip, iron, 3 long strip required for making braid. Join together with pin. And making braid. Hold one and then second twist like. And then again weave third loop. And then again. And then again. Make long strip according to the requirement of your design. Priceless and beautiful. Like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel. Make lace according to your designing requirement and stitch with hands. We use this lace in shirt sleeve, shirt neckline and shirt daman. Stitch with hand, not machine, looks very beautiful. Like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel. subscribe my channel for next video. Stay with me. Thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.